And next to that, also, eventually I entered very concrete action. I became quite concerned with the issue of misuse of genetics, in particular forensic genetics, so the kind of CSI genetics that you use to solve crimes, but it can be turned into a tool of mass surveillance. And I worked for the last 7, 8 years on this issue, in particular with regard to China and the persecution of Uyghurs and Tibetans. But that issue is certainly not limited strictly to China, although there the scale is much bigger than anywhere else. But we've seen this used elsewhere, trying to determine the ethnic origin of people applying for asylum in Britain or Canada, trying to sort out and surveillance people at the border between US and Mexico. But of course, the problems in China were much, much bigger. So I worked a lot on this for several years, and I'm still working on this. In particular, I've obtained a retraction of 38 journal articles in that field, which is really quite substantial because some of that research is ethically problematic. It involved researchers from the police studying the population that they are persecuting. I mean, some of that was really quite shocking. But more generally, and to address your introduction, how is technology, and in my field, of course, AI, reshaping society, and where do we want to go from here?